Boom! What's up, YouTube? We are back yet with another video. Today, I'm gonna unbox the brick of 2019. This thing bricked so hard. But honestly, I think it's one of the better colorways of 2019. Let's jump into this box. Let me pull this thing out. This was the Yeezreel colorway. It was released with the Yeetreel colorway. And honestly, I just want to talk about this because I have some things to talk about, guys. I don't know what's going on with the Yeezy community. I think it's a lot of like fanboys, nut swingers. I don't know what's going on. They dropped two shoes that look completely different and finally change it up for y'all in a brick. Bro. Brick. This shoe is the shoe. Like, out of the two, everybody comped the Yeetreels, man. Those things sold out. I bought 3 pairs of Yeetreels. When I got them, my girl owns 1 pair. The rest are gone. I don't know. If you like it, I'm not hating on you. But that shoe right there is straight booty. People were hitting me up like, yo, what do you got for sale? And I'm like, I got Yeezreels for days. Like, I'm talking on them. They're everywhere. I was walking on them. Finally, I got rid of all of them. Didn't make a lot of money, but I don't know what it's going to do as far as market value goes. But dude, this thing for the summer is going to be it. Here's like my whole gripe. Bro, everybody, oh, blah, 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 Kanye. Why can't we come up with another colorway? Why do we keep dropping all these shoes the same color? Bro, like the Shia that's coming out in like a week, that thing looks just like a static. The Landmark, all those shoes look alike. This shoe doesn't deserve that. Kanye, the people that made this shoe, I'm with you. This thing I love it. I like it. A lot of people don't. You got your semi-frozen tab. You got your semi-frozen liner. You got a whole new upper prime knit. This nice white stripe for when you wear like a white tee, some black jeans, and throw these things on. It's gonna help. I mean, this shoe's gonna go so well with so many different outfits. I mean, I wear a lot of black, and this is it. I'm not even trying to get a glow. First time I saw a glow on foot, it was in Miami. I was down there chilling. Dude crossed the crosswalk. Bro, cars were hitting trees. Those things were so loud. I think the way they went with this shoe was absolutely perfect as far as like not so loud. And these laces really set it off. It's just a different shoe. I'm trying to figure out what you guys were thinking about getting those guys versus this. I don't even know what that is. I wouldn't even own that shoe. That should have bricked. That thing should still be shitting on shelves. But the more I wear it, and the more I see myself wearing it in pictures and see other people wearing it, like I feel like this shoe should definitely go up in value, especially around summertime. And if you slept on them, yeah, you slept on them. My feelings on the Yeezreel, I really feel like this is up in the top 5 colorway of 2019. I'm gonna do a video on my top 5, top 10 colorways. I don't have a lot of the colorways, like I said, because a lot of them were the same, and I moved them or sold them or traded out of them. I only have so much room, and these are definitely my personals. These are staying with me. They're not going anywhere unless somebody makes me a fair offer on them. I don't care what the market value is right now. I'm keeping them before I lose money on them. I would not sell this shoe and lose money on it. I would definitely wear it before you do that. Anyways, so that's my opinion on that. We're gonna wrap it up. I don't know, this one's kind of short. There's not much really to talk about. I'm gonna drop some serious info on how to comp some of the new shoes that are coming out, as far as the Yeshaya, Cinders, tailgates. I'm gonna let you guys know all the things that I do, so I'm able to comp. I know a lot of my friends and followers are like, hey, I can never get a shoe. Like, where all do they release? I'm gonna give you all the info. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do so you're ready when these things come out. I know it's like you have to be tied in to know when the shoe's releasing. People are like, oh, dang, dude, I didn't know they dropped another Yeezy. Well, follow me and hit the bell, and you'll know, because anytime there's a shoe coming out, I'm gonna drop a video and tell you everywhere that it's releasing, so you can write the stuff down, and then the night before you can get ready, and you'll have a really fair chance at comping your first Yeezy, if not another Yeezy. But yeah, so we'll end it here. Appreciate your time. See you on the flip side.